See the dominating, it's all the jigs. Alright, here we are on a new piece of property we just got permission to hunt the other day. Yesterday was the first day we hunted it. Had big longbeards, tried with a couple hens, but we had a bunch of jakes come into the decoy. Today we're after the old big longbeard. But we're set up right under this big oak tree just waiting to hear them gobble. They were roosted on this side of the hill yesterday, but they flew across onto this side of the hill and just strutted around with some hens. So there's only 5 days left of the season, including today, so I still have 2 tags in my pocket. I've yet to shoot a Pennsylvania turkey. Blaze still has a tag left in his pocket, so hopefully here in the next couple days we can get some turkeys on the ground, but we're just waiting to hear them gobble now. Wherever they gobble, that's where we'll set up on them, so hopefully we get some action today. Okay, we just heard him gobble in the same spot he was roosted yesterday. And yesterday, like I said, he just flew across the hill to this dirt field up over him, across this hedgerow. Got the hen decoy out here today, we're just gonna go sit up there. Yesterday there was just a hen putting around over there. He heard her, got all fired up, flew over there. So let's see if he'll do that 2 days in a row. There's 3 or 4 turkeys gobbling around us. One of them's like within 100 yards probably. We set up on this field, put the decoy out. Hopefully he's gonna do the same thing he did yesterday, and that's fly across. Drop down right in this field and just strut around with the hen. But I don't know, the turkeys have been very decoy shy lately. They won't commit fully to the decoys, so it's been a little bit since he gobbled. I think he flew down. But we're just gonna sit tight here, wait and see what happens. We're set up perfectly. I like this spot a lot because we can see out in the field where the decoy is. If he flies into the field behind us, I'll still be able to get a shot. So probably just sit here for a while, wait, and try to give a turkey a headache. Set up under that tree yesterday. hate this. Longhorn turkey. Just gobble. See the decoy. Come in. Stand out there for 20 seconds, 30 seconds, strutting, so we can get some video. And then why can't I just send some BBs through his face? Like, those birds literally, that's exactly where we were set up yesterday. They walked probably in Blaze's butt print under the tree. I don't get it. I don't understand turkeys. We've been hunting them for like 25 straight days. And every day, they do something different. We're always a step ahead of us. I hate turkeys. I hate them a lot. Oh man, they're two nice longbeards too. Now I'm shooting at Jake if it comes in. That just made me mad at turkeys. Jake just clucked down there.
Those birds went up over that hill that way. I don't know what they did before is they walked right by that field edge up at that square. I don't know. Let's just go sit up there and we'll listen. See if he comes by.
Just wait. Don't go. Oh yeah, I see it. Here it comes. You see it? To the left. Two jakes. They're jakes. Third one's a tom.
Go get him. Run out and shoot him. Run out and get him again.
Yes. Oh, it's perfect. It's perfect. Literally didn't even have to call. Good bird.
Oh yeah.
I'm so happy right now. That literally was so perfect. We got set up, ran all the way down the field. He gobbled. He was right on the other side of that hedgerow. And I saw his fan come across. He must have walked out here. They were walking up over, probably a 40 or 50 yard shot. Perfect. Big freaking paintbrush on this sucker. Oh. Coming down to the final hour. And Logan is on the board. Let's go. Thank you, buddy. Taking a video?
Yeah.
All right, well, today's Tuesday, the 20-something. Been turkey hunting now for about 25 days in a row. And first couple weeks actually, I've been filming everybody else
shoot their turkeys. I've only really been carrying a gun for the last couple days. But, man, these last 2 weeks, these turkeys have not cooperated at all. They've shut up, they've henned up, they've gone here when we set up here and go here when we set up over there. But thankfully this guy, didn't even have to call to him. I knew he was gonna, we saw him out in the field, knew he was gonna work over here. Just got set up and timed it perfectly. We were probably set up for about 5 minutes before we saw him come up over the hill, so pretty pumped with this bird. It's been a long time coming. Finally, in the final hours, we're getting it done. Still got a couple days left, still got a couple tags left, so there shall be more to come. But for now, I'm happy with this bird. Some cute little hooks on him.
Really?
2-year-old. Inchers. Nice little thick paint.
Big beard.